Hello, my name is Cory. I'm an assay development scientist at Affinité Instruments, and today I'll be walking you through proper use of the P4SPR. So the first thing I'm going to show you today is how to load a gold sensor chip into the instrument. Step number one is I'm going to take my package of gold sensor chips, and just by prying open one of the corners, gently lift up the cover of the tray, and then I'm going to remove the chip holder from the instrument by opening the latch, extending the arm upwards, taking out the chip holder, laying it flat on the bench, and then with gloved hands, take a gold sensor chip, handling it only on the short sides, grab it, and with the gold surface facing upwards, place it into the chip holder, and then I'm going to put it back into the instrument, extend the arm downwards, and close the latch. So before powering on the instrument, I'm going to fill all channels with water. To do that, I'm going to use a low dead volume syringe and not your standard syringe. So I'm going to uptake some water and into the injection port. And I'm making sure to fill each channel with a minimum volume of 200 microliters. Once I've filled all channels with water, the next step is to power on the instrument with the P4SPR Control software, and I'm going to do that by simply pressing on in the software. Now that I've powered on my instrument, I will show you how to inject a sample while minimizing air bubbles. If you don't have any air bubbles, you can proceed to injection. However, if you do, you want to remove those excess air bubbles, and you do that by extensively tapping the syringe to ensure all the air bubbles rise to the surface, expel the excess air, and then inject. Now that I'm done collecting data, I will show you how to power down the instrument, which involves pressing off in the P4SPR Control software, which I'm going to do now, and then removing the chip. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed learning proper setup, injection technique, and powering down of the P4SPR.